I'm downtown at the corner of Meeting and Refugee Street. Got some, ooh. Wow. Wind has definitely picked up a lot. But fortunately, the water, at least here, has subsided. We have high tide over here at about 2:20, I think. So earlier today, the water was, where was it? It was like right through here, right pretty much up to that line. And it's all gone back down. I don't know about other parts of the city, but from what I was seeing, it's not so good at the other parts. But at least over here, we're doing good. And the car just drove by. And another one. The governor just lifted the mandatory evacuation for Collerton, Jasper, and Beaufort County at 3 o'clock today. So I would think that Charleston would be in the next few hours, at least hoping. So, all told though, we did fairly well considering, thank God. Stay safe, everybody.